For those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I'm a strong advocate for applying for your visas yourself. Don't use an agent, because I've seen scenarios where people actually get banned because their agent use fake documents or whatever it is, right? So make sure you're actually involved in your application, even if you decide to use an agent, which I wouldn't recommend. As a matter of fact, so I've been to over 10 different countries, from India to the UK a couple of times, to France, Sweden, a whole lot of places, and I have never used an agent to apply for visa in my life before. So let's look at some of the changes that the UK has actually implemented when it comes to visa application. So if you look at this, this was my last application for a UK visa. Right, it says your travel document is ready for collection. So whenever you get this email after you apply for visa, right, it means that your visa has been approved for the UK. That's how it works, right? There's no attachment. If there's an attachment, they will tell you that you have been refused. Your visa letter is attached, something like that. They're going to show that to you. But if you don't get it, that means your visa has been approved. This was my last application. It was approved, and that's why I actually got this email. So you see that this is coming from TLS Contact, right, which is the visa application center in Lagos, Nigeria, of course, right? So the UK has actually done something. They have changed. You say between September 2024 and January 2025, the commercial partners will change from TLS Contact to VFS Global in some locations, which include Africa, Europe, Middle East, and Central Asia.
I want to give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply to a Canada visitor visa. It's something that you can actually do on your own. If you can find the time to learn the process I'm going to show you, put your documents together. I know it can be a little bit daunting, and that's why a lot of people usually give those monies to agents, but I just want to give you a step-by-step guide so that you can try it on your own. And even if at the end of the day you don't want to try it on your own and an agent is doing it, at least you have an idea of what they are doing, an idea of the documents, and an idea of the process. So let's go and let me show you step-by-step guide how you can apply to your Canada visitor visa for yourself and your family. So the first thing you want to do is to type in cic.gc.ca or canada.ca. I'm going to leave the links in the description below, and then you click English if you want to be served in English, and then you scroll down and click on sign in or create an RSS secure account.
Hello, my name is Chika Aniche, and I'm making this video today to show you guys how I applied for my Nigerian police character clearance, also called police report. It was so easy, so seamless. You can access it from anywhere you are in the world. You don't have to start calling home, telling people to run around for you. You just go to their website and apply. In this video, I'll also be showing you guys how much it costs, specifically for Canada. So I don't know how much it's going to be for other countries, but I know the process still is going to be the same, but in different prices. So I really recommend the Nigerian police for this site. It made the whole process easy. So in this video, I'll be walking you guys through on how I applied and how much I paid for it. So stay tuned.
Go to your Chrome, whatever browser you have, Firefox, Chrome, just go there and you type POSAP, P-O, oh, it's just showing already. So you click it, so it brings you to.
Want to renew your Nigerian passport without having to visit the High Commission? The Nigerian Immigration Service has launched a contactless renewal process using the NIS app. As of today, the month of February 2025, this service is available to residents in the UK and Canada, with plans to expand to more regions soon. In this video, I'll guide you through this entire process step by step, covering requirements and everything you need to know to renew your passport seamlessly. Let's get straight into the step-by-step process. Head to the Google Play Store and download the NIS mobile app. It's currently only exclusively available on the Google Play Store, but the Nigerian Immigration Service has said that they're working on making it available on the iOS store too. Once installed, create a profile using a valid email address. Activate your account through the confirmation email to proceed. Open the app and locate the Passport Application Services tab on the home screen. Click on it to begin your application.